this hot tub hack, we're going to explain how to replace the ClearRay bulb in a jacuzzi hot tub. The ClearRay bulb on a jacuzzi hot tub can be replaced with the water still in the tub. However, if you want to clean the quartz tube that the bulb sits in, you do need to drain the hot tub first. We cover this in another hot tub hack. All current jacuzzi hot tubs have the ClearRay UV system fitted. The bulb in the ClearRay system needs replacing every 12 months. Your hot tub will tell you when the bulb needs replacing because it will come up with a BLB message on the touchpad. When you see the BLB message on your touchpad, it doesn't mean that the ClearRay system has stopped working. It just is acting as a reminder for you to change the bulb for optimum performance. You can purchase a replacement ClearRay bulb online at hottubstudio.co.uk. The replacement ClearRay bulb will come with full instructions, some stickers so that you can identify when you last replaced the ClearRay bulb, and a single glove which you should always use when handling the new bulb. There are two different types of ClearRay unit fitted to jacuzzi hot tubs, but the method for replacing the ClearRay bulb is the same on both types. Before changing the ClearRay bulb on your jacuzzi hot tub, ensure that you isolate it from the mains. And never ever look at the ClearRay bulb whilst it is illuminated, or it could cause damage to your eyesight. Refer to your owner's manual to find the exact location of the ClearRay unit in your jacuzzi hot tub, but normally it can be found behind the front access panel. To remove the cover from the ClearRay unit, there are 4 screws. These are Phillips screws and not posi drive. Undo the 4 screws and pull the cover clear. Always wear gloves when removing the ClearRay bulb. First of all, release the electrical connection, which is simply done by pushing in the white tag as shown here, pulling the plug out. Then carefully pull back the cover, and the bulb will start to release, and pull the bulb out of its holder. Again, always wear gloves when removing the new ClearRay bulb from its box. You'll find one included in the kit. To refit the bulb, simply slide it carefully into the quartz tube. Ensure that it goes fully home, and then it will be held in with the rubber cover on the back. Remake the electrical connection. And then refit the cover. Once you've replaced the cover on the ClearRay unit, you can turn the power onto your hot tub and test its function. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on how to clear the BLB error message from the touchpad and reset the 365-day timer. As we mentioned, the method on changing the ClearRay bulb for both types of ClearRay unit are the same. The one on the right hand side has a silver lock nut behind the cover rather than the plastic one. Refit the bulb in the same way, ensuring that it goes fully home and that the cover holds it into place before reconnecting the plug and refitting the cover. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel for more hot tub hacks.